Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm gonna explain you of a brand new product we just launched. It's called ChipaAI. What I really like about ChipaAI is that, as you can see here, ChipaAI is a AI trading assistant. Basically, you will tell the AI what you are looking in your strategy. Basically explain your strategy to a AI, which then the AI will convert to ChipaLang, which is our programming language, which then will be converted into a fully functional trading bot. Yes, you heard that right, a fully functional trading bot. The whole idea of this is that, building trading bots can be a headache, right? It can be like really difficult to build but here it will ask you for a license. In this case I already have it, but for testing purposes I will proceed to show on a guest profile and how it's gonna look. Basically here you will need to go to the website chipatrade.com. Wait until it loads, and here you can create a account or sign in. For this specific case, for the open preview, it's not necessary. So to get it, when you're gonna go to the Try AI Assistant, it will ask you for a license key. To get the open preview license key, you can go to the community tab and join our Discord. You'll find the license key in the message pinned there. This is again a open preview. I will also leave the license key in the description of this video, but I would recommend you join here, so once we release the actual version you may proceed and start using this amazing tool. Anyways, back to this. So in this example I'm gonna try to ask something like a easy prompt, right? Like, make me a SMA crossover bot. Simple thing, simple bot. So now it's gonna create the bot. It's gonna create the code for the bot. So it's just thing to wait. So yeah, also you'll see here it says license basic. This is we have different subscriptions. You can check them out here. Once we release this product, so when you'll be able to use this, like the bots created here with for crypto, stocks, forex, binary options. Right now we are supporting pocket option only, but it's for the open preview. Chipa Basic is right now the available one. You can get it right now, I mean, as you wish, and I would actually highly recommend it. But then we have these other subscriptions that will be coming. Okay, anyways. Okay, yeah, as you can see, sometimes it's still on a, sometimes the AI will get a lot of requests. So, in this case, again, this is not a fully, exactly, it's the open preview, and not even beta, it's like alpha version. So, right now we're working to improve this. In the meantime, also, you may want to check out like chipatrade.com. Here we're adding everything that we want. Just that, you can check our open source products. Also, you can check, here we have all the products we've made in GitHub. Like binary option tools v2, which allows you to use the pocket option API. We have the actual pocket option API, also Axiom Trade, and we have a lot of things. And if you decide to like contact us, by example, you may be able to contact us here in support. You can talk to us in Telegram and stuff, right? Okay, here in this case, here it responded like a simple SMA crossover bot that buys when the short-term SMA crosses above the long-term SMA and sells otherwise. Here, this code is the code in Chipalang, like CHTL code that you can use. So right now here is just validating, but right now we can just press here and compile. This will convert this code into a fully functional trading bot, which I will be showing soon. Okay, so for this, here you'll be able to download the bot. Right here you will want to, so once you download the bot, this will actually download the setup, right? The setup that will download and do everything and prepare your bot to be used. So you double click on it. Wait, it's gonna tell you this, but it's because it's a open preview. It's it's not recognized. We're not yet official publishers. You click run anyway, and we'll open this tab. Chipa Trade bot setup. It will ask you where you wanna download it. You can download it wherever you want. I'm just gonna download it here, and so I'm just gonna press enter. Then it's gonna ask you for your license key. You can just for now use the open preview license key. This will make the bot work only in demo for Pocket Option. So for now it's all right, but you'll paste your license key. This is the open preview license key. I'll be putting it. So it's gonna verify it, then it's gonna download the bot, and there you go. The bot has been officially downloaded. Then you want to open this. You'll just find this bot in app data. Here you can just go to app data, local, go here where it says Chipa Trader, and here's gonna be your license, and here's gonna be the actual bot. You download the bot, and here it's gonna open the bot itself. Okay, now to start this bot is you'll need to go to settings and paste your SSID. This SSID will right now, it's because I already used, so it's kept, it's my SSID, and it recognizes that I've already used previous bots. But if you haven't used a bot before, you can just go to the Pocket Option website, sign in. Then once you're signed in, you'll want to go to where it says Q2 demo, to the demo account, right click, inspect element, go to network tab, WebSocket, restart the website. Then once you restart the website, you're gonna see 3 of them. Go to the last one, go to messages, go to the top, anywhere, and this is your SSID. Just wanna copy that and go to the bot itself. Then you'll go to the settings and paste your SSID, then save settings. Right, in this case it's already started, so I can just go ahead and start the bot. The logs will appear here. You'll see the bot is working, and now the bot is right now it's strategy warming up. It's getting all the necessary data, and so it can start trading. And it will take a bit, like I'll say 5 minutes or so to start. Once it starts, it's just gonna start trading, and you'll see like here all the performance, and you can see your balance, and I would highly recommend testing it out. For now it's 100% free. You can just test it out and play, and let us know what you think about this bot. It's a tool that if it has taken us a lot of time, yes, to develop, yes, but this is part of the Chipa ecosystem. A lot of new products are coming, so I would strongly recommend you join us. Well, that's all it's gonna be for today's video. I really appreciate you watching this video, and thank you for watching.